now we have some breaking inputs coming in. It's a shocking incident, a disturbing one too. From the national capital, a gym owner was brutally assaulted, his wife allegedly molested, and their son stripped naked and beaten on the street. This horrific incident took place in Delhi's Lakshmi Nagar area on the 2nd of Jan. What makes the crime even more chilling, the entire incident was captured on CCTV and it's on your screens at the moment. According to the complaint, the victim had a long-standing dispute with his gym's caretaker Satish Yadav, whom he accuses of cheating him and trying to take over the business. On the 2nd of Jan, when the gym owner and his wife went to the basement to check a water leak, they allegedly ran into Satish Yadav. Not alone, but accompanied by several men. The gym owner alleges he was punched and kicked repeatedly. His wife was allegedly molested during the assault. When their son arrived after hearing the commotion, the men turned on him. The son was dragged out onto the street, stripped naked in public and beaten mercilessly. Let me go across to Shivani, who's getting us more details on this. All of this right outside the home of the victim, captured on CCTV. What action has been taken, Shivani?
Well, as of yet, one accused in this entire matter has been arrested, but the rest of them are still absconding. The Delhi police has clearly stated that they are looking out for people, and through the help of CCTV footages, they are trying to identify and track down the other accused in the matter. But as yet, only one arrest has been made. And right now, as we are reporting from the ground, let me show you that this was the very entrance of that gym, which became a matter of, rivalry or the matter. Here is that one CCTV which has recorded that entire sequence, that how the owners of the particular gym, of the particular property, were first made naked and then they were beaten up by the gym rods as well. And similarly, this is the area in which this entire beating incident took place, where a couple of people from Thar just came out and then they started beating people. Also, this is the very house which is of the owner. There is also one more CCTV that has also captured this entire sequence of event. But Rajesh Garg is the owner of this entire gym and the property, where they are owning this gym since 2016. And the caretaker Yadav was handling and being a caretaker, was working here from 2016 till 2025, and he had captivated this entire gym, and even some notices were also being issued to him to vacate this property, right. But he didn't listen. FIR was registered quite some months back also, but no serious action was taken by the Delhi police, and hence
we have a reaction from Rajesh Garg. Let's listen in. Stay on with us, please.
राजेश गर्ग है।
क्या हुआ था सर? क्या पूरा मामला क्या था जो मारपीट?
मैं 2 जनवरी को दोपहर को 3 साढ़े 3 बजे के आसपास में बाहर खड़ा हुआ था, तो वहाँ से उसका नौकर आया शुभम यादव, उसने मेरे को धक्का दिया और फिर
किसका नौकर?
वो पिंटू यादव का नौकर था वो। और फिर उसके बाद पिंटू थार लेकर आया, जोर से उसे बड़ी स्पीड से लाया, उसने जोर से मारा, वो तो बच गया मैं, तो उसी दिन एक्सीडेंट हो गया था। फिर वो नीचे उतरते उसने मेरे को मुक्कों से मारा और मेरे को उसे धक्का दे सीढ़ी के बल नीचे गिरा। और फिर उन्होंने ये आपका ये पिंटू यादव और उसका नौकर शुभम यादव और एक आदमी को उसका नाम नहीं जानता, उन्होंने मेरे को नंगा करके रॉड से मारा, जूतों से मारा, मुक्कों से मारा मेरे को। ये आप मेरे चेहरे पे देख सकते हैं दाग वगैरह, और अभी तक बहुत ही दर्द है, बहुत ही परेशानी में हुए।
मारा क्यों सर? क्या विवाद क्या था?
मेरे को ये नहीं समझ में आया, मैं तो चुपचाप बाहर खड़ा हुआ था, इन्होंने आते ही मेरे को धक्का दिया और नीचे गिरा दिया मेरे को।
आप क्या?
And with that, we are slipping into a very short break. On the other side, the focus shifts on southern India. Coming up is Southern Spice with my colleague Pratibha Chandran.
From the corridors of power